I will use a rain stick. The rain stick is from Haiti, and the shakeré is from Nigeria. Now the story is about the appreciation of the rain. On that third day, there he came, riding through the clouds on his big black bull, hurtling the lightning spears into the heavens as the rain began to fall. And the people were grateful. They said, Asante, Asante, Mkuru and Buru. He said, oh, my people like this rain. I'm going to give them lots of rain. So it rained. For days he went through the sky, hurling the lightning spears, till rain came in big sheets of rain. But it was so much rain, for the clouds were so heavy, and the huts were floating on the water.